So today I'm going to be cooking our take on a classic English recipe, the shepherd's pie, which is a potato mash and beef casserole. It's a recipe that typically takes a bit longer to cook, and even with us it's going to take 60 minutes, but I promise the last 20 minutes you'll be on the sofa putting your feet up and letting the oven do the work. So let's get started. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 Celsius with the fan. Then peel and finely chop the onion and garlic. You can peel and grate the carrot or finely chop the carrot. Then peel and chop the potatoes. Add the potatoes to a pan of boiled water with a generous pinch of salt. Then cook the potatoes over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until fully soft. Meanwhile, heat a pan over a medium-high heat with oil. Then fry the beef mince and onion with a pinch of salt for 5 or 7 minutes. Then you add the garlic and tomato paste, mix it. Add the grated carrots, measured water, stock cube, Worcestershire sauce, sugar and pepper. Then you reduce the heat to low. You can cover with a lid and stew for 15 to 20 minutes. Drain the soft potatoes and return them to the pan with the salted butter. Slowly pour in the milk to reach a desired consistency while mashing with a potato masher. Then add the eggs, a generous pinch of salt and half of the grated cheddar. Mix well. Add the green peas to the beef sauce and check the seasoning. You can add salt or pepper if needed. Then pour the beef sauce into a greased baking dish. Spoon the mashed potatoes on top and using a spatula smooth out the top, creating the odd ripple. Then sprinkle with the remaining cheese and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Once baked, set the pie aside to rest for 5 minutes, then serve and enjoy. So now that my feet are nice and rested, I put them up on the sofa while waiting for the oven to do its work. I'm ready to give this a try. But before that, I wanted to say if you enjoyed this recipe and easy recipes like this, which we call our weekly classics, you'll find more of them just here. But for now, bon appétit!